Buy this, not that. Tools that just make sense, and some that don't. Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking a little bit about these swivel adapters or U-joint adapters. Right here I've got a chrome one. You can see it's got 2 pins. Not impact rated. This one's Napa brand. Not really my favorite tool, as they can get a little bit dangerous. Definitely have to wear eye protection if you ever use them, or be ready to bust your knuckles. Here we have an Expert brand impact rated one. This is probably one of my favorite, most used tools right here. Now you can see that the chrome one has a little bit more swivel to it. The problem with that is you'll never actually be able to use it. Here's my Mac one. And what I mean by that is if you try and force the U-joint that far over, you're going to be putting added stress on it and it will likely break. So definitely get yourself some of these impact rated ones. Save yourself the heartbreak, and just completely avoid buying any of these crappy chrome ones. They will break, they will put your eye out, and they will bust your knuckles. That's about it for today. If this video was useful, like and subscribe.